Okay, let's see how to create a website from start to finish in just 5 minutes. Go to godaddy.com and type the domain name that you would like to purchase. Domain name is nothing but the name of your website. For example, godaddy.com is their domain name. So type, I don't know, like if your company name is example.com, you should include .com or .co or .io. So if it's available, it will show it's available. If it's not, it will show like this. Or at the bottom it will show like what are the alternative to the word that you type. Just type, for example, like example99.com is available. If you want, you can just click make it yours. It's gonna add it to your cart and you can just check it out. I mean, it's just a normal purchasing process. That's it. Go to any hosting service providers. For example, I'm going to the Hostinger now. Go to hostinger.com and enter your email address and password and click login. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Go to websites and click add or migrate a website. Say skip. So create a new website. Obviously, if you wanna migrate a existing website, click migrate a website. But I'm gonna create a new website. So create a new website. I would like to have WordPress. So select WordPress. Please enter your email and password. Click continue. So if you want, you can install these default plugins, but I mean, I don't want any of them. So it's gonna ask you like which theme would you like to prefer. I'm gonna skip again. So use an existing domain. It says select and type your domain name and click continue. And here it's gonna speed out a name server ns1.dns/parking.com. So copy this and go back to GoDaddy where you just registered your domain. Once you register your domain, the domain name would be under your products. So just click the domain name. It will take you to this page. So click to the name servers and it will have a default name server of GoDaddy. We don't want that. So change name servers. So click, I will use my known and copy and paste this one and go back to the Hostinger and click the next one and copy and paste. Click save. So click continue. So it says it's in progress. If you wait for a couple of seconds, so it's already changed. So now click continue. So it's installing the WordPress installation. So it's gonna take a minute. So please hang tight. It will install SSL, and if you had selected any default plugins, it's gonna install that too. So once it's installed, you can go straight to the WordPress admin panel. So see, you are in the WordPress now. Go to plugins, add new plugin, type start a template. So click install now, click activate. Oh, now if you see, the SSL is already installed. Build with templates, and here you can select whatever you want. Pretty much like it's got so many websites. So you can type, if it's your personal site or professional finance or accounts, like anything. If you have a blog, you can select the blog. Let me just like take this one, and if you wanna change the site logo, you can change it here. And also you can change the theme. Click continue, submit and build. It's building this website now. That's it. See, it's done. So click view your website. See, we now designed a beautiful website with all the pages in it. When I edit any of them, click here, edit page. You can select any text that you want about us. So that's it. Click update. It will be updated. Now the about us page is updated for everyone pretty much. It's also published. If you go to peppercellular.com/about, you'll see about us page. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can create a website in 5 minutes. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave that in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you. Bye.